First, start by removing all contents of the box and separate all hardware by size, making sure the assembly area is flat and clean. Place the cart top face down on a clean rug, carton, or other protective surface. Remove the protective film from all stainless steel pieces. Attach each of the 4 legs to the outside of the apron corners using the supplied 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch carriage bolts with nuts and washers. Do not fully tighten at this time. Next, turn the cart on its side and attach the shelves to the legs using the supplied 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch Phillips head bolts with nuts and washers. The holes for the optional galley rails should face the back of the cart. Once all the shelves are attached to the legs, stand the cart back on its top, using assistance if necessary. Fully hand tighten all bolts. Using a rubber mallet, carefully secure the casters into the bottom of the legs. Attach the towel bar, if available, into the pre-drilled holes on the apron with 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch machine bolts and washers. If you are installing a double drop leaf, make sure the correct corresponding drop leaf matches the correct side of the corresponding block by following the markings or grains of the block. Loosen the pre-installed screws in the hinges before attaching the drop leaf to get a better alignment. Attach using the provided number 10 3/4 inch wood screws. Once the drop leaf is securely fastened to the cart via the hinges, extend and attach the drop leaf support arms using the pre-drilled holes and the remaining number 10 3/4 inch wood screws. Make sure the 2-hole, smaller end of the support arm is attached to the apron and a 3-hole, larger end of the support arm is attached to the drop leaf. Once the drop leaf arms are fastened, install the eccentric rings. The eccentric rings allow you to adjust the level positioning of the drop leaf by inserting a screwdriver into the slot and rotating until it is level. Once the drop leaf has been adjusted to the desired level position, hold the eccentric rings in place while tightening the screws securely. Secure the drop leaves in drawer, then turn the cart upright using assistance if necessary. To retract the drop leaf, simply pull the support arm straight down. To extend the drop leaf, pull the drop leaf back up into locking position. Remember to follow care and maintenance instructions and enjoy your Booze Block Cucina Eleganté cart.